Hi, in this video we're going to see how FBO Explorer can help us on the invoicing process of our company. Invoicing can be done in two ways that we have to decide which way we want to use before start using FBO Explorer. The first method that we're going to see in this video is income invoicing. It is based on the incomes for each pilot during each period, as we will see. The other method is expense invoicing. It's more detailed and it's based on every expense the pilot does in the club. There's another video on that I invite you to see. The pilots have in the identification tab, they have a checkbox that when checked sets this pilot as invoiceable, meaning that we do want to invoice that pilot for every income he does. If instead we clear this checkbox, the pilot will be never invoiced for any concept. That might be useful for pilots belonging to the club for maintenance purposes or other purposes. The items that are going to appear in the invoice are the ones that we set as flight hours or payments. Charges, for example, will not be included in the invoice. And as we enter a new ticket, we can set it as invoiceable or non-invoiceable, meaning that we do not want that to be invoiced to the pilot in any way. Having said that, we can go to the invoicing window where we see three groups of invoices: the pending ones, the already invoiced ones, and items that are not invoiceable. Non-invoiceable items can be useful for clubs starting to use FBO Explorer after a number of months. For example, if we start using FBO Explorer at March, we could set this by using the right-click mouse button. We can set these three tickets as non-invoiceable, and then these tickets would disappear from this list, and instead they are part now of the non-invoiceable items. To invoice is as easy as click that button, and then a Word document is generated with our company data, the customer data, and a line for each one of the incomes that the pilot has brought to our club. The tax is calculated out of the total, and that's it. And then the number of invoice number is assigned as we create the new invoice. Now we have no pending invoices, and this invoice is in this group, meaning it has already a number, and we can print the invoice as many times as we need to. Right? If for any reason we need to start the invoicing process at a particular number of invoice, we can check this checkbox and set the first number we want to use as the invoice ID in here, and then all subsequent invoices will be numbered after this number. That's it. Thank you for your attention.